Did you know your brain is constantly eating itself? Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Your brain has a process called autophagy, where it breaks down and recycles old or damaged cells. This is actually a good thing. It helps clear out junk and keeps your brain functioning at its best. But when you don't get enough sleep, your brain starts eating away healthy cells. Yup, sleep deprivation makes your brain's cleanup process go into overdrive, targeting even the good stuff. So next time you're thinking of skipping sleep, remember, your brain needs that rest to stay sharp. Follow for more mind-blowing facts.